नीज गोंयकार संघटनेन विधानसभेच्यो वेंचणुको लडोवपाचो निर्णय घेतला। गोंयकारपण राखपाक नीज गोंयकार संघटना वेंचणुकेच्या रिंगणात देंवता। रोखडेच उमेदवारांची नावां जाहीर करतले अशें तांणी सांगलां। डेस्क खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनवाली।
नीज गोंयकार रेवोल्यूशन फ्रंट, the party has been registered with the Election Commission of India on 28th of December 2016, and we have received this communication on 3rd of January. And we appeal to all the Goans to come unitedly with us on this platform and fight for the cause of Goa, take Goa forward with sustainable development and to maintain its ideology of the people of Goa, for the people of Goa, and it should be also by the people of Goa.
At the end of the day, what we have seen today is U-turns. Everything is being decided by the High Command. And Goans in Goa do not have a voice. So I appeal to the people of Goa. All of us have to come together and join together without any differences to save our identity, our culture. Everybody has not declared except for one party that has come out with their candidates. Other than that, most of them have not declared yet. We have put our committees, the selection committee. Once the party is registered, there is certain formalities to be fulfilled. Then there is a disciplinary committee, there is a selection committee. So we have put that in place. And once the applications come to the party, the selection committee will finalize. Few of the candidates before the election, we have already given them a green signal. But the rest will be finalized because now it's a registered party. We cannot do what we want. So it will take us time.
So this is a party which we have created only for goals. So my sincere suggestion to everybody and conscious appeal to everyone to ask every candidate what is the scope of development for pension. As a Nis Goenkar candidate, I assure not only development, but I assure to fulfill all the promises which people have got for pension.